Asuntoskeittiö Pukinmäki.
This is also amazing. Today on the 14th of March 2025, and I thought the code was impossible, but it was in the evening.
Yeah.
This is also on Eskolantie, Eskolantie, 5 staircase E here, and Pukinmäki Volkswagen, Helsinki has 4 stores in Finland. So built in late 1981 with the P90 fixtures, finished in 1982. Timbers is 402, 1 to 6 floors. Yes, take notes here.
This Beat Bike is maintained by Kone.
Nobody's coming, but it doesn't matter because we have the code. That's it, thanks for watching.
That's